How do you do, guys? Today we are going to discuss methods, or as they call it, functions. Actually, it is almost the same. So I have my Unity opened. Let's open up our script. And let me, before we write some code, explain you what a method or a function is. So it is basically just a piece of code which gets executed once it is called. Here is our program somewhere, and our program calls method and it is executed. Our program may call the method more than once, maybe 2 times or 3, and that method gets executed. Yeah. Okay. What is the purpose of methods and functions? Yeah, the purpose is pretty simple. So you want to decompose your code in small parts. So when you have some problem called bug, yeah, when you have some bug in your code, you would like to find it, and having everything positioned in functions allows you to easily debug and find the problem in your code. That is one reason to use functions. Another reason to use functions is modularity. Yeah, you can write a function and then you can use it whenever you want in your whole program, or even pass a function to another program. And it's basically referred to as library when we collect a lot of functions and methods in one place and then just bring them to the end user. Means another programmer who would like to use those methods or functions as well. Okay, actually there is a difference between methods and functions, but we will cover it later on. For now you can consider methods and functions to be the same. Okay, so here we can see that we actually already used methods, even though we didn't know about that. So this thing over here, which is called start, is actually a method. Let's just write our own method to get better what it means to write functions. So let's just put in here void print hello, and then let's just put here debug.log hello. Save. Don't worry if you don't get it right now. I will explain everything as detailed as possible. So to the end of this episode, you will be able to tell methods apart from everything else. Okay. So let's just call here print. And as you can see, it even hints me to use print hello. Okay. So let's just save the program. Go to Unity. Wait while it is recompiling. And once it's done, run your program. And as you can see, hello was output to the console. Okay, so and why is that? Because here our program, whenever it is running, whenever it starts running, it comes to here and run everything inside these brackets. And here it encounters print hello, and what it is called is a method invocation. Basically what it does, it comes here, it's method invocation. Method is called print hello, so it goes over here and executes everything which is inside here. Okay, and after it is done, it's continuing its execution. So if we'll put here after, actually in braces, not braces, so I'm sorry, after. And if we put here before, you will get the point better. So let me put here before, save again, go to Unity, wait while it's compiling. Once it's done, let's just run the program once more. As you can see, first it calls before this line of code, then it invokes function and outputs hello, because in our function body we have debug.log hello. Then it goes down and it encounters debug.log after, and it goes out of the method. Okay, so let me now explain a little bit more in depth what this down here means. So this is the type which function returns, and we will cover this in the next episode. So this is the name of the function. This parenthesis tells the program that this is a method, and in these brackets we have a body of the method, and everything here gets executed once the method is invoked. Okay. To invoke a method, you basically write the name of the method and then parentheses. Okay, actually sometimes the method needs parameters, which goes in here, but we'll cover it in the next episode. So that's all for today, guys. See you later. Bye bye.